A sincere reply from the government. Whether the government is playing with the sentiment of the people as far as ILP is concerned.
Sir, we have written and I have written letters to the Honorable Home Minister multiple times on the ILP. I have met the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister multiple times on the ILP. I would like to know how many times have the Honorable Member met the Home Minister. How many times the LO has met the Honorable Home Minister?
I have not had the opportunity
Please,
to meet
reply.
because I'm
If
just
you
an
are serious
MLA.
about ILP, how many
I
times
know
have
you are
met?
not serious
How many
in
times have you
tackling.
met?
If you are serious